everybody, welcome to
the best cooking show in the world.
2 chefs,
1 knife.
And so what are we doing today, Chef Cam?
We're going to be cooking turkey.
Yeah, your turkey looks a little chilly. Yeah, it's frozen. There's a reason why it's frozen though. We just haven't got there yet. Give us some time.
Okay, let's see. You forgot to thaw the turkey. Well, we have a solution for you. As long as you have a lot of room in your fridge.
Because what did Vanilla Ice say? If there's a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out my base when my DJ revolves it. We're going to show you how to do a simple brine. This is like the most basic recipe. Make your turkey moist,
Yes.
delicious.
Brine for lazy people. All you actually really need is water, sugar, and salt. And the rest is optional.
So here we go. Bucket. Salt.
So we're just using regular old fine
Table salt.
Yeah, table salt.
You wanted more of a finer grind because you want it to dissolve easier in the water.
Yes.
We're not cooking it.
Yes, this is a shout out to Chef John, by the way. This is where I learned from him years ago. Yes.
John.
He doesn't need a shout out. He's got millions of subscribers. So we
trust
got
him.
1 liter salt, and we have 3/4 of a liter of sugar.
And then I'm going to do spices.
Yes.
Onion powder,
So I was
quarter cup
gonna say
onion powder, quarter cup garlic powder, and then we got some bay leaves and peppercorns. I feel like we're making a witch's brew.
If you do want to do fancy, you can use fresh, but this is not fancy.
No,
This is
we're not.
obviously
Don't let the hat fool you. We're not that fancy.
yes. So
Okay.
we got some warm water here. We just want to
Initially
initially
dissolve the crystals in
Yes.
the sugar and the salt.
Yes.
So we're using hot water to do that. Otherwise, you have a very salty soup.
Do not try this. This is actually poisonous.
So that was 4 liters hot water. And when it's done, we're going to add 12 more liters of water for a total of 16 liters. Now that the stuff's all dissolved, you can see it looks nice and no chunky crystals
Yes.
sitting on the bottom. My bladder's full.
So you could actually just use straight up cold water, but we just wanted to speed up the process. If you stir long enough, it will dissolve.
Yummy.
Yummy. And also, you know, if you want to put paprika in here, cayenne, or whatever else,
You know,
herbs too.
You actually can smell the aromatics. Even though it's cold and whatever
Yeah.
water, they're still coming through in this brine.
Okay, it's nice and dissolved.
It is. Looks fantastic.
Yeah.
So, as you can see,
Frozen.
I'm coming over so you can hear. You can see the icicles on it. Look, it's icy. Ready? It's like my abs.
Wait, let me do it. Let me do it. Okay.
Oh, now you're gonna tap the turkey. I was gonna tap the abs. Now we both just touched my abs. That's just weird.
Sick.
Okay, so frozen bird. You want to go head first, so we sinks, and then water will fill the hole.
And yes.
No head, but headless first.
Yeah. Oh, that's a lot of brine.
I know, it's fantastic.
And if you do find that your bucket's too small,
Oh look, it's filling up. See the bubbles?
just take out some of the brine.
Go
So
ahead.
why did we do frozen? Like, what is the benefit? to
So
this?
this will be defrosted in the fridge. Proper cooling technique in the fridge in a day. You put the turkey in and then you're also now going to have a fantastic tasting bird. 24 hours will get you defrosted and a good flavor. If you want to go a little bit more, you could go 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
But for you people that are not cooking for 20 or so, and if you can find it in the butcher shop, you can also just get turkey breast.
Is this gonna fit in there?
So we're going to brine this at the same time because they're both turkey, so it doesn't matter. They can both go in the same bathtub.
Knew that was gonna happen. So yes, we're gonna remove some of the brine.
Shut up! For any of you guys that are not cooking for 20 people, smaller group, you can find it. If you can just get some nice frozen turkey breast, this works too. Same scenario, from frozen into the brine. Just like that.
So I have a colander here that will weigh it down.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
A plate works too.
Yes.
Day 2.
How long has it been since the turkey's been brining?
It's been 1 day since you brined me. Now I'm all juicy and tender.
It's been 2 days. So we have a rack because we want to drain the brine.
Get all that
Yeah.
stuff up. Ready?
So strong. Oh, sick. You are leaking everywhere.
No, I'm not. What are you talking about?
It's a big turkey.
Bird. Look at the bird.
So I have parchment paper. This is going to help for cleanup later on. So I'm just going to take this entire rack and transfer it. So obviously you're going to use a smaller roasting pan at home, but this is what we have in an industrial kitchen. So the legs are tucked into this flap of skin here, so I'm not gonna trust it. I have trust issues, so I don't trust my poultry. Back in the day when Food Network was actually cooking shows, they taught me that you can tuck your wingtips in. But my family, they love the crispy wingtips, so we don't do that. So we like this guy free and loose and extra crispy, okay?
Looks like a bat.
Yeah, change my hands. So we have a neutral oil here, and we're just gonna rub that. You can use softened butter. So we're gonna rub that oil in. Remember, this is all brined already, so everything's flavored. You really could just put it in the oven like this. But Chef MPH was kind enough to make me this mixture of, what is it?
Paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, and black pepper. But you can make whatever you want.
Yeah.
Little rosemary,
Yeah, rosemary.
oregano.
You can stuff the carcass with lemon wedges.
Shove some butter and rosemary under the skin.
Go everywhere.
Nobody ever seasons the bottom of their turkey.
Why?
I don't know. Why not?
Why not?
But nobody eats it. There's no meat under there.
Yeah, there is. I know where all the meat is in a chicken and a turkey, all the hidden crevices. I eat everything. Turkey butt, my favorite. So we're gonna stick that in.
Much later.
All right, so we took the turkey out.
160, 159.
Yeah, that's good. So with the carryover cooking, it'll go up another 5 degrees.
Turkey bird.
Brining it, it's like an insurance policy. If you overcook it, it's still gonna be moist. So you wanna let this rest for at least 30 minutes.
We're just gonna carve like on TV. Oh man, that looks good.
It does.
You can tell by how it's not flaking apart that it's got some moisture left in there. It's not dried out. It's holding structure. Oh, look at the juice dripping off of it. Look.
Oh yeah.
Turkey.
Turkey.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god. That is so good.
So moist. I have to say, I hate white meat, but when it's brined like this,
Oh my gosh.
Delicious.
That is so good. Oh! You know what? Let's give it a little taste with the cranberry sauce you made. This is our ginger leek cranberry chutney. Look at that.
cheers. Oh my god, it's so good.
I got so much movement. I don't know.
Fantastic.
I still have mouthfuls right here. I can't stop.
So good.
Is it Festivus for the rest of us?
Yep.
This is the thermometer that we suggest, but I don't know if regular people can buy it. It's from Cisco. Fast read instant thermometer. It's fantastic. It's the best one. Sponsor us, Cisco.